Minasan, konnichiwa. So for today's video, I decided to take a walk early in the morning. Then suddenly, I saw these two elderlies nga nag-pick up of trashes along the beach. And when I came back, lang gihapon sila. They're still picking up plastics and pet bottles. So wala sila gisugo, wala sila isweldo ana, and they're just volunteering. So nice na makita sila or makita nga na ay naagihapon ga volunteer for the sake of the environment. So di na ta mausa nga nga limpyo ang Japan, but applicable gihapon ang ESID. Every situation is different. Point is volunteering. Volunteer, dili maghuwat og sweldo, dili maghuwat og sugo. Maka-adapt pud unta ko sa ilang batasan ba.